So this is our second visit into Glacier National Park in Montana. Hopefully we'll get and see those things that we missed the last time.
We are on the way.
Okay, behind me this is McDonald Falls. This is what we missed the first time that we came through because the traffic was unbelievable on the weekend. But today's Wednesday, traffic's not so bad. We've got parking right beside here. If you come up during the week, maybe that's the best time to do it. Alright, this waterfall behind me is called Sacred Dancing Cascade. There's a bridge, just a little walk, so we're going to walk down there and have a look. Well, we've spent our second day in Glacier National Park. Absolutely fantastic place. Our legs have been completely worn off. We've done so many of the trails. I think Janie's done about 22,000 steps today. I've done about 18,000 steps because my legs are a little bit longer than hers. Yeah, come and stay here for a week. It's absolutely fantastic. There are so many animals here that you can see. There's so many trails you can go on. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful place. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. You know what to do. Thanks for watching. See you next time.